You hit a function you don't get. 20 lines of someone's code. What does it actually do? Don't read it line by line. Read it like a short story. Sounds tricky? It's simpler than it looks. Think of a recipe card. You don't need every detail. The ingredients go in, the steps do the work, and a dish comes out. A function works the same way. Just look at what goes in and what comes out. Picture the function. Inputs are the ingredients, the body does the cooking, and the return is the dish. Focus on the edges first. The name tells the goal. The input tells the need. The return tells the result. The input is the ingredients. The return is the dish. Skip the messy middle at first. In and out tell you most. Details can wait. So why read this way? Because any function makes sense. Once you see in and out, read the name, trace the inputs, then find what it returns. Try it right now. Run the function once. With a simple input, the output shows you everything. So that's decoding a function. Just follow the input and output. Next up, the debugging mindset.